Hi everyone, happy Saturday. Hope everyone having a great day. We're gonna have a girls' lunch at this beautiful restaurant. Beautiful Saturday. It's gonna be a great week. Hi there, Brooke. I'm still vibrating high off of today's workout. And I love that you said that we don't run. Running, no offense to any runners, thank you. Can I have Mommy's Finest water? Oh yeah, with a little lemon. And hi Shelby, I'm glad that you said you are happy I don't make you run, because running, nothing against runners, running makes you flabby, like a skinny fat person. It doesn't give you those lines and definition. I covered that in our group coaching. And for me, I tried doing that, and all it did is just grind my knees, my joints, my feet, and I got tired, and it was just a lot of wear and tear on my body. But we have fun, interactive moves. Thank you so much. We have fun, interactive moves that keep your mind, body, and spirit engaged, and you're getting those creative moves. So you're training 360 degrees, and also what I love, you don't feel exhausted after the workouts. You don't feel depleted, or you actually feel the reverse. You feel energized, boosted, ready to go and take on the day, ready to go and get all your to-dos done and just seize the moment. I remember when I was overtraining, I was doing cardio for like 2 hours, an hour of running, an hour of bicycle, elliptical, or treadmill or whatever, and all I was just doing was just getting like flabbier and flabbier, and I was like, there must be a better way. And that's when I created the VIP workout method, the strength training weaved in with a cardio burst, and I'm feeling so like, we had a fun theme today, the cat-like reflexes. We pounced, we jumped, we did like an animal flow, and it was good because on Wednesday we had no agony, no braggony, and I was still recovering. Even though we had an active replay on Thursday, I was still recovering after no agony, no braggony. And I know that some of us hurled in the bush outside, some of us really had to come to Jesus with that workout. So it was good to kind of mix it up. Monday, don't worry, rock hard Monday, we will hit it hard. Heavy metal Monday, we'll get our big biscuits and gravy back out. We'll get our big bars out and have a good time. So enjoy the weekend. I'm gonna have a lean, clean, and green power lunch here with some couple of good friends of mine. Love you. I must look into this. Yes, please look into this. Go to jnlvip.com. Direct message me. It's $1 for your first month, and then $25 after that every month. Why do I make it so inexpensive? Because I believe that fitness should be inexpensive. It should be affordable. So you can then invest in your new wardrobe because you're going to be reaching your goals. And then you can invest in new equipment for your at-home gym. I love training at home. And it's just so important for like women like us that have kids, that you don't want to leave the house. You can't leave the house. So you just transform one of your rooms, one of your bedrooms, into a workout room, or just a corner of your living room into the workout room. And that's why it sticks, because you need to be persistent and consistent. In order to get the benefits of a wellness program, you got to set yourself up for success. It's got to be a sustainable program that you do. This is not a multi-level marketing company, not knocking multi-level marketing companies, but I am anti-multi-level marketing, because you're going to actually have to recruit your competitors. You're going to have to sell them $600 worth of product, and then there's such a shortage of demand, and I'm not going to go in there, but this is not an MLM. This is me just wanting, I'm kind of retired, I have to be honest with you. I don't do this to make money. I do this because I have a sincere passion for women who want to look and feel their best, and they don't have a lot of money, they don't have a lot of time. I know what it feels like. So I created my own program for my own personal frustrations. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I didn't want to spend a lot of time, and I wanted something that was sustainable, that I could do day in and day out. So that's jnlvip.com, and 1 month is $1. It's through Facebook, so you don't need to have another password. Plus the community is amazing. The women are supportive. We're not catty. It's mind, body, spirit, 100% holistic approach to your wellness. We cover mind, body, spirit, personal and professional goal setting, also financial success, because I've seen a lot of broke bodybuilders, and I've seen a lot of women that are multimillionaires, but their body's just gone to hell. And I was like, how can I help women have both, where they are financially fit and also physically fit? Because if you're able to crack that code, then you have it all. And yes, you can have it all. Thank you so much for watching. And go to my website. We're launching a new website, jennifernicole.com. And I love you guys. Have a great Saturday. And visit jnlvip.com. I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you in the VIP room. Smile and be well. Love you. Hi, Elizabeth. Liam has gotten so handsome. He's a little man now, isn't he? Where did your little boy go? Let me tell you what, my sons are 18 and 16 years old. And right when they hit 13, they turn into a man, and it's like, oh, where did my little son go? But it's a beautiful journey, and I just love being your coach. Even though you're in Holland and I'm Miami, I love being your coach. And many more blessings to come. And I'll see you guys at jnlvip.com. Bye, guys.